Hello dear subscribers. Today I will show you which crochet set they bought me. But before starting the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. You can see the yarn I used. This is 100% super soft polyester. In this tangle, 100 grams is 120 meters. I used hook number 4. I tied up the body. Then I didn't finish tying the hood, but I already tied my head. Besides, I managed to sew on the ears. Such a needle, which was also in the set. Here is the instruction itself. And this is the kind of bear I should get. There were threads in the set, and I also knitted a collar like this. And here's how much yarn I have left. I've already tied up the handles, the body with legs, and the hat. As for the cap, it should be with a pom-pom. Here are our instructions. Here's a pom-pom for the hat. Of course, I tied him up too. This bear is called Timoshka. The set contains detailed instructions and a knitting scheme. Look at her. I took the whole set in columns without a cape, but I also made air loops to start my knitting. I think this crochet set is very simple and cool. I'm sure when I sew it completely, everything will turn out very, very beautifully. Everything fits easily and simply. It seems to me that this bear cub will be even bigger than 35 centimeters. In the next video, I'll show you what I did. That's all. Please like, subscribe to my channel and write comments. Goodbye.